That's right. I've spent over $1,000 on essential oils, but I quickly realized that was a mistake because I became obsessed with the results. And now, instead of turning to pharmaceuticals every time something goes wrong, I turn to nature's medicine. But does it really work? You're about to find out. If you're the kind of person who prefers a more traditional or natural approach to medicine, one that works with your body and without any side effects, this video is for you. I'm going to share the life-changing results I've gotten from using essential oils. Then I'll tell you which ones I used to get these results. Finally, we'll look through scientific evidence of their effectiveness and how they work. I don't know. I've heard some horror stories, like people getting sick or having bad reactions. One of my friends went to a yoga class and the instructor massaged her with oils. Later, she went to the beach, handprints on her shoulders for weeks. That sucks. People underestimate the potency of essential oils. You need to know what you're doing. But don't worry, that's not going to happen to you. I'm going to show you how to use them safely. But first, story time! Welcome to my office where all the magic happens. A couple of years ago, I got this random Christmas tree rash on my back. So I called my dermatologist and she prescribed me this ointment to take over the course of 2 weeks. But I like to empower myself to make informed decisions. So I cross-checked her diagnoses and treatment with AI Derm, where you can take a photo of whatever you have on your skin. It'll give you a diagnosis and the treatment for free. Turns out it would go away by itself in 4 to 6 weeks. I shared this information with her and she confirmed, but insisted that I buy the ointment to help it go away faster. After I knew it was nothing life-threatening, I decided to use the essential oils instead. And in 3 days, it was gone. I've used essential oils to heal an infection that my dog got on his skin from the groomer, on a toenail that contracted fungus from a spa, all without spending a dime on doctor visits or unnecessary medication. These oils have been amazing in helping me ease headaches, muscle pain, menstrual pain. One thing that I'm really grateful for is how essential oils have helped me with anxiety, which has been an ongoing challenge for me my entire life. They have helped me to feel relaxed and at peace. By the way, my house smells incredible and it's safe to breathe. Conventional candles, incense, and low quality oils contain harsh chemicals and toxins that are just as harmful as smoking. And these are the oils that made it all possible. Lavender is the oil to get, especially if you're just starting out and not sure where to begin. It's great for the skin and helps to heal bug bites, wounds, rashes. I used lavender oil for the Christmas tree rash during the day and tea tree oil at night. Certain oils react to the sun, so you have to watch out for that. Tea tree is great for treating skin infections, fungus, and as an active ingredient in cleaning solutions. Peppermint is what I use for headaches. Dab some onto your fingers and gently rub your temples. If I had to choose one oil for the rest of my life, which would be really sad, it would be Clary Calm. It's a soothing blend made especially for women and helps with anxiety, period pain, and stabilizes your mood. For anxiety, dab a small amount onto your hands and rub them together. Take 3 deep and slow breaths for instant tranquility. For period pain, roll a small amount onto your lower abdomen and rub it in with a nurturing massage. Pro tip, add a heating pad and take your pain relief to the next level. This is only a fraction of the oils I use, so if you want a closer look into my full collection, drop a comment and maybe I'll make a video. I've included links in the description for each oil and a link to look through all the oils I have. But don't just blindly follow what someone on the internet says. Let's look at the evidence together. Research has shown lavender oil can alleviate anxiety, help with various skin issues, and even heal wounds. The Turkish study showed women experiencing significantly less menstrual pain after a lavender oil massage. A study from Germany noted that peppermint is as effective at treating tension headaches as aspirin and Tylenol. I've included these and additional sources in the description so you can dive into the research yourself. But how do they work? Well, they aren't painkillers that that numb your senses. Essential oils engage with your body holistically. Think about this. When you go to the dentist and they numb your mouth, you're asked not to eat anything to avoid biting your tongue because you can't feel it. Painkillers may sound like a good idea, but they mask issues and can lead to further damage. Essential oils don't do that. They encourage you to listen to your body. To be fair, sometimes your body says, "Hey, I need help. Please take the medication." But that's generally not the case. It's usually asking for rest, water, nourishing foods, or movement. Anyway, here's how it works. The sense of smell, or olfaction, is the most ancient of the senses and connects directly to the brain. It's the only sense that bypasses the thalamic relay, where the brain processes sensory information. This means it has an immediate effect on our emotions, mood, and behavior. I am not gonna lie, this is starting to sound pretty good. Can you show me how to use them safely? Absolutely. For topical use, test out an area on your skin first. 1 drop is more than enough. If you have sensitive skin, you may want to dilute the oil with a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba, and stay out of the sun with certain oils that react to it. For aromatic use, be mindful of others in the house that may be affected differently, like children or pregnant women. 5 to 6 drops in a diffuser is usually more than enough. I'm not going to tell you how to use them internally because I don't think you should. 1 single drop is powerful. Essential oils are highly concentrated medicines. To put things in perspective, it takes about 250 pounds of lavender flowers to produce 1 pound of essential oil. They're natural, but they're strong and should be respected. And this is really important. Not all essential oils are created equally. High quality oils come in dark bottles and they are not cheap. Find a company you vibe with that has very high standards and rigorous testing. I love dōTERRA, but there are many others out there. Now you know why I've invested so much in essential oils, but I forgot to mention how helpful they can be for sleep. Just a few drops of lavender in the diffuser or a drop on the bottoms of your feet can help you fall asleep faster. But if you struggle with sleep in general, follow me here and I'll introduce you to the sleep accessory you didn't know you needed.